find the area of an equilateral triangle of side 8√3. So area of any equilateral triangle is always √3/4 times a square, where a is the sides. So it's √3/4, 8√3, all squared. So this is √3/4. 8 squared is 64. √3 squared is 3. So our answer is 416. 16 times 3 is 48, so 48√3. So our answer is A. So if the hypotenuse of an isosceles triangle is 10√2, then the area is isosceles triangle. And also, well, we have hypotenuse, so this must be a right angle triangle. So they say the hypotenuse is 10√2. So let's go, remember isosceles triangle, so two sides must be equal. So xx, meaning that here is 45, 45. So from what we call 45, 45, 90 triangle theory, x is 10 by 45, 45, 90 triangle theorem. So you don't need to waste your time. The theory is very simple. If you have a 45, 45, 90 triangle, that the sides opposite 45 are each xx, while the one opposite the 90 degrees is x√2. So x √2. So from you see that x is 10. So therefore our area, remember, area of any right angle triangle is half times the leg. So the leg are 10 and 10. So the answer is 50. Our answer is C. We have to find the area of an equilateral triangle if the altitude is 3. So do you remember that area of any triangle is of any equilateral triangle must be √3/3 height squared. So this is the area of an equilateral triangle in terms of the height. So this is now √3/3 times 3 squared. So our answer is 3√3. So our answer is C. Find the area of the triangle. See the triangle. So as you can see, we are given two angles and two sides. And from our formula, area of SAS triangle, so we are given two sides. We need to know this angle. Once we know this angle, we find the area. So since here is 15, here should be 45 to make it 180. So we have area now is half, remember, half AB sine theta. Do you remember area of a SAS triangle? So half 9 times 3 sine the angle between the two given side, which is 45 degrees. So we have, okay, maybe let me write 9/2 times 3 times sine 45 is √2/2. So the answer is 27/4√2. So the answer is C. Whereas BC is the diameter of a circle. If OC and AC are 13/2 and 5 respectively, then the area of the triangle BC is the diameter. If OC and AC are 13/2 and 5 respectively, so AC is 5, so we'll label this is 5. Why OC is 13/2. So from our circle theorem, for this to be the diameter, this is 90 degrees. So by inscribe angle theorem, so this is 90 degrees. And since here is 13, that's OC is the radius. Also the radius 13/2. So our main aim is to find the area. We know that area of triangle ABC is always half. Remember, this is a right angle triangle. So the height and the base are perpendicular, so it should be AB times AC. So which is now half times, we are not giving AB, but we know AC and BC. Do you remember from Pythagorean theorem? So this should be square root 13 squared minus 5 squared by Pythagorean theorem. Remember, we are given the other leg. So to get this, the square of this BC minus that times AC is 5. So which is half times, this should be 12. Because this is 169 minus 25. 144. Square root of that is 12 times 5. So the answer is 6 times 5. The answer is third option C.